That tiny buffet item you just grabbed could be the exact thing that puts you in the ship's medical center with a $1,000 bill. And the craziest part is most seniors have no idea which foods are the real danger. Today I'm exposing the 10 cruise foods doctors warn seniors to avoid, and food number 7 has sent more passengers to the medical center than anything else on this list. Let's get into it fast so you can stay safe and actually enjoy your cruise. Let's start with food number 1, raw oysters and shellfish. Raw oysters look glamorous and indulgent, especially on a fancy cruise ship buffet. But for seniors, they are one of the most dangerous items you can eat. Raw shellfish can carry bacteria like Vibrio that thrive in warm ocean water. Doctors and health agencies have been warning for years that people over 60 are far more likely to develop life-threatening complications from these infections. On a ship, the risk increases because those oysters often sit on ice at buffets for long stretches. Temperatures fluctuate, people touch serving tongs over and over. Cross-contamination with other foods happens constantly. One cruise ship doctor admitted off the record that they see more seniors hospitalized from raw oysters in a single week than from any other food all month. For someone in their 30s, it might mean a rough night. For someone in their 70s, it can mean days of vomiting, diarrhea, dehydration, and a huge medical bill. The simple solution is this: skip raw shellfish entirely. Enjoy fully cooked seafood instead. Grilled shrimp, baked fish, lobster tail, all of that can be delicious and far safer. And when possible, order it in the main dining room where it is prepared fresh to order, not from the buffet. Food number 2 is one almost every cruiser has eaten at least once: buffet scrambled eggs. Those fluffy yellow eggs in the warming tray might look harmless, but here is what most passengers never hear. On many ships, those are not freshly cracked eggs. They're often made from large containers of processed or powdered egg mix. For seniors, that is a problem for several reasons. First, the sodium content is usually very high, which is bad news if you are managing blood pressure or heart disease. Second, those eggs sit under heat lamps, sometimes for an hour or more, drifting into the bacterial danger zone where germs multiply quickly. And here's one more twist most seniors never hear about. If you are taking blood thinners, such as warfarin, certain egg products and mixes can contain enough vitamin K to interfere with how your medication works. Some seniors only discover this when their blood tests are off or they feel unwell during or after a cruise. A much safer choice is to head to the omelet station where they crack real eggs in front of you, or to order eggs from the main dining room. If you must use the buffet eggs, try to take them within the first 30 minutes of service and then avoid them after that. Food number 3 sounds elegant but can quietly create big problems: unpasteurized soft cheeses. That beautiful cheese board with brie, feta, and creamy spreads looks harmless and tempting, but for seniors, certain cheeses can be a serious health risk. Unpasteurized soft cheeses can carry bacteria such as Listeria, and adults over 65 are much more likely to end up in the hospital if they become infected. On a cruise ship, these cheeses often sit out at room temperature for long periods. Even cheeses that were originally pasteurized can become risky once they have been left out for hours on a warm platter. Symptoms of Listeria are not always obvious at first and may include fever, muscle aches, confusion, and in severe cases, serious infections that require hospital care. To stay safe, stick to hard cheeses like cheddar, Swiss, or Parmesan. And if you're unsure whether a cheese is pasteurized or how long it has been sitting out, it is perfectly fine to skip it. Food number 4 is that perfectly pink steak or juicy burger cooked rare or medium rare. For a lot of people, that sounds delicious. For seniors, it can be a medical problem waiting to happen. As we age, stomach acid production often decreases. That acid is one of your body's first lines of defense against bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella. Less acid means those germs have a much easier time surviving and making you sick. On a ship, the kitchen is turning out thousands of meals. Food is supposed to be cooked to a certain internal temperature, but with that volume, mistakes happen. What was ordered as medium rare may arrive undercooked in the center. One ship doctor shared a story of a passenger in his late 60s who ordered a rare steak in the steakhouse and was in the medical center within 12 hours with severe food poisoning. He spent several days in bed and missed all the ports on his itinerary. If you take acid-reducing medications, such as proton pump inhibitors for reflux, that makes you even more vulnerable because you have even less acid to kill the bacteria. The safest choice is to order meat cooked medium well or well done, and to avoid anything that looks pink or undercooked at the buffet. Food number 5 hides in a place almost every senior visits at least once a day: the coffee station. That little pitcher of cream you pour into your coffee can be more of a risk than most people think. On some ships, and in some regions, unpasteurized dairy products are still used. Even when the cream is pasteurized, the danger comes from it sitting out at room temperature for long periods. By mid-morning, those creamers can be warm enough for bacteria to grow quickly. Again, a younger immune system might shrug it off, but for seniors, it can be enough to trigger a serious stomach illness. To reduce the risk, choose individual sealed creamers whenever possible, or bring your own shelf-stable creamer packets from home. In the main dining room, do not hesitate to ask if the cream is pasteurized and freshly opened. Food number 6 is one that seems like the healthiest possible option: fresh cut fruit from the buffet. A big bowl of colorful melon, pineapple, and berries looks like the smart choice, especially compared to pastries and bacon. But for seniors, that big fruit tray can actually be one of the riskiest spots on the buffet. The moment fruit is cut, it becomes far more vulnerable to bacteria. Melons in particular are a known problem because their rough outer skin can harbor bacteria that transfers to the flesh when cut. On a ship, that fruit often sits out for a long time while hundreds of passengers walk by. People touch the serving spoons, talk over the food, kids reach too close, and hands are not always as clean as you would hope. By later in the morning, that lovely fruit bowl can be loaded with germs. For seniors with diabetes, this becomes a double threat. Blood sugar swings can weaken your immune response, making any infection hit harder. A much better approach is to order fruit from the main dining room where it is cut to order, or to choose whole fruits like bananas, oranges, and apples that you can peel yourself. Now we come to food number 7, the one that has sent more seniors to the ship's medical center than any other item on this list: mayonnaise-based salads. Potato salad, coleslaw, chicken salad, tuna salad, all of these share the same basic problem. Mayonnaise is extremely sensitive to temperature. When these dishes sit out on a buffet, even for a relatively short time, they can move into that danger zone where bacteria multiply very fast. For seniors, the biggest risk is dehydration. What starts as what you think is just mild stomach upset can turn into hours of vomiting and diarrhea, and before you know it, you're in the medical center needing intravenous fluids. Doctors on cruise ships have seen many cases where a senior passenger enjoyed some potato salad at lunch and was extremely sick by dinner. If you are taking diuretics for blood pressure or heart issues, the danger from dehydration is even greater because your body is already losing fluids more quickly. The safest thing to do is to avoid mayonnaise-based salads on the buffet completely. If you really want potato salad or chicken salad, order it from the main dining room, where it is prepared fresh and not left sitting out. Food number 8 is sushi and other raw fish. Sushi bars on ships look impressive and modern, and the displays can be beautiful. But for seniors, raw fish is a high-risk choice. Raw fish can carry parasites and bacteria that your aging immune system may not be able to handle effectively. Temperature control is absolutely critical with sushi, and even small slips can let germs thrive. On a ship serving thousands of people, keeping every piece perfectly within safe temperature ranges at all times is a challenge. If you're on medications that suppress your immune system, have diabetes, or have chronic health conditions, the risk becomes even higher. A smart compromise is to choose cooked options like tempura shrimp rolls, cooked crab, or vegetable rolls, and to avoid raw fish entirely, especially from buffets. Food number 9 is something many people assume is healthy: fresh squeezed juice. Unpasteurized juice can contain harmful bacteria like E. coli or salmonella. For seniors with decreased stomach acid and weaker immune systems, that's a bigger deal than it might be for younger passengers. But there's another layer that almost nobody talks about. Certain juices, especially grapefruit juice, can interact with a long list of common medications. That includes some cholesterol medications, blood pressure drugs, and anti-anxiety medications. There are real cases of seniors drinking fresh grapefruit juice every morning on a cruise and suddenly finding their medications are not working properly, leading to dizziness, faint feelings, or other serious issues. The safer option is to choose pasteurized, individually packaged juices and to avoid grapefruit juice entirely if you're on medications that don't mix well with it. Bringing a list of all your medications and asking the ship's medical staff or your doctor at home about food interactions before you sail is one of the smartest things you can do. Finally, food number 10 looks fun and innocent: self-serve soft ice cream. Those machines are popular with kids and adults, but they can be a hidden risk. Soft-serve machines are difficult to clean thoroughly, and they stay cold and moist inside, which is the perfect environment for bacteria to survive if cleaning is not done correctly every single time. Combine that with hundreds of passengers grabbing the handle all day long, some with dirty hands, and the risk of contamination goes up. For seniors, infections from bacteria like listeria can lead to serious illness, including confusion and severe infections that may require hospital care. To stay safe, favor scooped ice cream from the dining room or restaurant, or choose pre-packaged ice cream bars or treats that have stayed sealed until opened for you. In another video, I break down what cruise crew members secretly love and hate about senior passengers, the behaviors that make you their favorite, and the ones that make you that passenger behind the scenes. Watch that next so you not only stay healthy, but also get treated like a VIP on every future cruise.